If you love seafood boil but you're on a budget, here's a recipe for you. So you can scale this recipe to fit your budget or taste, but here's what we use. We added a whole sliced lemon into water and then a whole onion. Now this was all to add taste to our millis, aka corn, which we added a whole lot of. And to that we added a whole lot of small potatoes. And then some spices for the extra flavor. You know, we're gonna show you the spices in a minute, but get that in there and mix it. Speaking of mix it, do you guys remember your mix it username? So this was the spices we used. We had salt, Cajun spice, chili flakes, paprika, parsley, cayenne pepper, and oregano and pepper, bro. We used some of that to season our prawns. And by the way, this is the prawns we use. It ain't not sponsored. This is the one special by Pick and Pay. But look at how they're boiling, bro. When everything was almost done boiling, we added our ayers so that they could hard boil for 10 minutes. You can add as many ayers as you'd like. Then we added a whole lot of cut up sausages into a separate pot with a little bit of oil just so they could get that nice fried flavor. You know what I'm saying, bro? Cause I don't know about y'all, but I love fried sausages. And when that was done, our boil was finished, so we took it off of the heat. And then we added that into the serving tray in which we're gonna serve everything, which was this right here, which we could reheat if we were hungry later on, you know, for seconds and thirds and fourths. And with those basics done, we were ready for the next step, which was to get our spices ready for the seafood broth. A whole lot of Cajun spice. Into that we added paprika, and then according to your spice level, add cayenne pepper and chili flakes. And then a big game changer is the spice for fish, bro. This is a banger. And to that we added some oregano, and then we also added parsley, bro. Just some leaves to make it vegan friendly. And to that we added pepper. You can add lemon pepper and of course salt, which salty people don't need to add. And then you mix that like a masa mixed rice. And then you add butter into the pan, about 250 grams or more depending on how much broth you want. And once that was melted, we added about 2 finely chopped onions in there to brown. And then 2 tablespoons of garlic and chili. And because garlic loves seafood, we added another 2 tablespoons, this time of garlic and herb. And no, not that type of herb. We then added our spice mixture according to our taste, you know, like 4 tablespoons. But we tasted and added more. Or, you know, you can't take out those, so don't add too much. Because otherwise, all your chilete is gone, dog. Then you wasted all your chel, bruh. And then we added some lemon juice and stogo. Not that stogo, but there's togo, you know, just so that it could taste munati. And once that was ready, we added our sea cockroaches, bro. You know, this only needs to cook for about 4 minutes or else it's overdone. Guys, and once again to this, you can add your crab, your calamari, whatever, bro. Because you know seafood is pricey, so according to your budget and your taste. But once everything was done, we poured it over the other stuff. And bro, I wish you guys could smell how good this smells and how good this tastes, bro. 10 out of 10. Now check my previous video for where I actually tried it.